Ever been around an older adult who just makes everything awkward? You love them, but wow, some habits drive people crazy. And the worst part? They don't even realize it. Today, we're counting down 10 things older folks do that push people away. Stick around. Number 7 is brutal. Number 1, oversharing personal problems. Look, we get it, life's tough. But when every conversation becomes a therapy session, people start avoiding you fast. Number 2, non-stop criticism. Your hair's too long. Why's your phone always in your hand? Constant nitpicking? Yeah, that's a one-way ticket to awkward silence. Number 3, ignoring personal space. Standing way too close, touching stuff without asking. Personal space matters, folks. Back up a little. Number 4, talking over people. Ever try talking to someone who just won't let you finish? It's frustrating and honestly, rude. Number 5, playing the victim. Nobody visits me. But when people do visit, they're met with complaints. This habit pushes people away fast. Number 6, unsolicited advice. Unless someone asks, keep the back in my day speeches to yourself. Nobody likes it. Number 7, here's the brutal one, refusing any change. New tech? Nope. Different opinions? Wrong. Flexibility keeps relationships alive, don't fight it. Number 8, gossiping. Whispering about neighbors, judging family. Gossip might feel fun, but trust me, it makes people not trust you. Number 9, faking illness for attention. Oh, my back, my knees, but only when people are around. This manipulative trick backfires. Number 10, not listening, nodding while staring into space. People notice, and they stop sharing. Look, getting older isn't easy, but self-awareness, that keeps relationships strong. If you see yourself here, no shame, just maybe work on it. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let's keep the conversation going. See you next time.